In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to ClickFunnels. By the end, you'll have a working scheduling widget on your funnel page so visitors can book time with you without leaving your site. First, grab your Calendly embed code, sign into your Calendly account, and head to the event type you want people to book, or your main scheduling page if you want to show all options. Look for the three dots menu and choose Add to Website. Calendly will ask how you want it to appear. Inline embeds the full calendar directly on your page. Pop-up widget adds a floating button that opens your scheduler. Pop-up text shows a clickable text link that triggers the pop-up. Pick the one that fits your layout and user flow. Then copy the embed code Calendly provides. Keep it handy. You'll paste it into ClickFunnels in a moment. Now open the ClickFunnels page editor. In your dashboard, go to your funnel, select the specific page where you want Calendly to appear, and click Edit Page. Decide exactly where you want the scheduler or trigger to live, ideally somewhere visible and relevant to your call to action. Next, add a spot for the code. In the editor, click Add Element. Find the HTML/JS or custom code element, sometimes listed under Miscellaneous. Drag that element onto the page where you want the calendar or pop-up trigger to show. For inline, place it in a section or row that has enough width and height to display the calendar cleanly. For pop-up text, put it where a link would feel natural, like near a button or under a headline. Open the code editor for that element and paste in the Calendly embed code you copied. Make sure you include the entire snippet. There's nothing else to configure in ClickFunnels for this to work. When you're done, click Save, and then publish your page so the changes go live. Finally, preview your funnel to confirm everything looks right. Click Preview. If you chose Inline, you should see the calendar loading directly on the page. If you selected the pop-up widget, you'll see a floating badge. Click it to open the scheduler. With pop-up text, you'll see a link that triggers the booking window. If something doesn't appear, refresh, confirm you published, and check that any pop-up blockers in your browser aren't interfering. That's it. You've added Calendly to your ClickFunnels page, giving visitors a seamless way to schedule time with you.